Selectica is an enterprise software company. We sell contract management and strategic sourcing software to Fortune 500 and Global 2000 companies, primarily focused on the GC and legal departments, as well as the procurement and sourcing departments. Selectica has been around actually a long time. We did an IPO back in 2000, and at the height of the dot-com boom. And there's no doubt that the new Selectica, the Selectica that exists today, that really began in the last 16 or 18 months, is not the old Selectica. So I want the buy side to really understand where we are today, what our current strategy is, what we're doing with IASTA and our acquisition, and what our go-to-market model is. Our current strategy is really to provide a complete solution for procurement and legal organizations with contracts always at the core. Ultimately, if you're a sourcing guy, your main goal is to engage in a contract with a vendor that has a high ROI for you. If you're a general counsel or a legal VP, your goal is to engage in a successfully executed contract with a third party or a group of third parties where there are no surprises, risk is minimized, and you're always on top of what that contract says over time. We can and we do provide that complete solution for those two sets of people and organizations. And really the differentiator is really two things. It's the depth of the analytics and the business intelligence and decisions you can make based on all that data that is normally hidden inside these contracts, and as well as the deep integratability of the solution, the fact that you've got a lot of other enterprise software systems and you need to get that data into our systems with the minimal fuss. We've been really successful in integrating IASTA and making great progress on that because we actually began the work with them about 6 months ago. We initially began with a strategic partnership with IASTA and began cross-selling into each other's customer bases. And about 2 or 3 months into it, we realized this could be so much more if we actually brought these companies together. So we turned what was initially a loose partnership into one merged organization, and that's given us a head start. That's why we have so much to show only 60 days in. We've seen some big wins, and we're actually about to show a really big win next week at our annual Resource Customer Conference. What we're going to be showing, a bit of a preview here, is a live, fully running integration between Selectica's contract management system and IASTA's strategic sourcing suite. True two-way embedded integration between these two applications, and procurement departments and other organizations that need both a contract management solution and a strategic sourcing solution are going to be blown away by this combined initiative. The sustainability of the competitive advantage is a really important point. There are very few offerings in the market that combine true enterprise level contract management with, again, true enterprise level strategic sourcing. There are a lot of individual point solutions in each of those spaces, but very few actually combine them together. IASTA was already recognized before Selectica came along as a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant for strategic sourcing. So we're really excited about their position, but now that we're adding enterprise level contract management to that solution, we're going to blow them all away. Technology is really critical. You have to be able to serve the use case, and especially the technology that integrates contract management with sourcing is really critical, and we have that working today. At the same time, this is about relationships, it's about customer service, and about being able to support these enterprise clients in the long run, and we do a really great job of that. We have so many drivers of growth in this business today, and for the next 3 to 6 months, the biggest driver, the one that gets me really excited, is focusing on, frankly, the cross-sell between these two customer bases. It's business 101, maybe it's sort of boring, but when you've got 120 enterprise clients in each side of the business and they want the solutions, they need the solutions that the other side brings, that's just a huge opportunity for Selectica in the short to medium term. In the longer term, I'm really focused on driving more innovation through technology, that focus on big data and analytics that we talk about. That's where we beat Ariba and Amtoris today, and we're going to continue to beat them even more in the future with the challenge, with the opportunities we have.